So I'm Cameron, and this is Adrian from Crafted Gardens and Landscaping in Perth, WA. We first found out about Lana through a coaching program, which was going to be integrated through SimPro, our job management software. So that's our main reason for choosing Lana. It's integrated very smoothly into SimPro, and the customer journey has been automated in such an amazing way, going from a lead through automating into Lana responses through text messages, emails, and then pushed over into SimPro, and creating quotes and jobs out of SimPro have been so much easier. There's less information lost. What do you have to say, Adrian?
Yeah, I think what we struggled with before Lana is finding a CRM that could speak to our job management system. So me bringing in the leads and then Cameron fulfilling the quotes and the jobs, we're always trying to keep track of where each other was at with client communication and where they were up to in the customer journey. So since having Lana handle the front end and then communicating with SimPro, we can always identify where the customer is on the journey and ensure they're getting the communication they need for us to share our professionalism and ensure they have a great experience with us. So it's really saved a lot of time in terms of the automation, and it's saved a lot of following each other up. Miscommunication and wondering what we have to do next. It's all very systematic and very free flowing from when they come in the door to when they go out the door. So
yeah, I suppose another thing to mention is Adrian is a gatekeeper of the business, so he'll take in the leads, qualify and call, and push those leads over to myself to go out on site and to quote up. So it's been very smooth between Adrian and myself using Lana.